You got it all, baby. Your papa Uganda, your mama Burundi. My African star, baby, na umeumbwa ukaumbika. Yeah.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in again to another video. It is me, it is I, Viviana Keze, and welcome back to another vlog. I'm trying to find the best lighting. I don't know. Anyway, today is Monday and I am sweating. Anyway, today is Monday and I'm on my way to my friend's house. She's actually a blogger as well, Umita. She's hosting me and a few other bloggers for lunch, so that's where I'm headed right now. My Uber is downstairs. He just called, so without further ado, let us be on our way to Umita's house.
Sorry, my phone, the volume was down.
Okay, no problem. It is so hot here. Like, it's, I can't even, like, my face is steaming and the AC is on, but anyway, let's go. Hi guys, so we are here.
I eat this terrible food.
Oh guys, see the host for today. Let me take off my phone. Hi guys. I'm very early.
Very funny enough, you were the first one to say it on your way. Hi my love.
Hi boo. Who's Jazz?
We are all asking the same question. Where is Jasmine? Because they are used to.
Hi hosty. My tummy's ready.
The food is ready. Oh my god, I forgot about the
Okay. Me, I'm here for the food, no lie. Do you know I was expecting you to do your makeup? Because she was singing. I'm gonna take pictures. I'm gonna take pictures.
my makeup though.
You even said you go to Katie's office because of pictures. I wanted to come Boroda's ways. I don't really know sometimes.
I did my beauty today.
And you went out.
Wait now, I need to and put it down.
So that means there's no
What flavor? Which one do you have?
Just tell me.
Do you
have ginger? Yes. Ginger and.
Did you try the tea that
Oh god.
No. The tea that Amma gave us at her Lerouge event. It was amazing. See, he had like the ginger. Anyway,
it was a mixture of 20 spices and herbs, basically.
And it was sweet, not too sweet. Yeah.
Say that again. Are you actually really listening to Rhoda?
Are you actually listening to
raspberry tea with some blueberry nuts, some blueberry
some blueberry.
Please don't listen to her. I think raspberry tea is fine for me.
Or anything that doesn't. See, what did I tell you? This guy, hold on that one.
Wait, let me see.
There's hot chocolates. Okay, this is soft. Just wow. No, where's the
This food, you guys. This food, I need to show you.
Oh wow, that is a food.
Guys,
wait.
Umita came the effing through. Like, Umita came through, you guys. Like, this food deserves a montage, so let me hit you guys with one right now.
I remember those days we were young and had nothing to do.
So guys, my battery is almost dead, but let me check my camera bag. I pray I brought my second battery because like I'll be so upset if I left it at home. We're back in business. I actually brought my extra battery, so yeah. No, Ominta, you're beautiful.
Ominta, you're beautiful.
Yeah, I know I'm beautiful, but I look like shit. So I think you guys can move.
Like the way you roll, like the way you roll. Say I like the way you roll. Say I like.
By the time I finish eating this food, it will become cold.
See, let's do a boomerang actually. Oh, that'd be cool.
Are you ready?
No, wait, let's not do it at once. Let me get mine ready as well. Wait, let's put the candle somewhere inside.
Yes, we should. 1, 2, ready, go.
This hot water is good already.
Ooh, I like that. Yes! I drop it everybody. Everybody, that's it.
Guys, this is.
Okay, can you turn?
This is behind the scenes. While Rhoda is she just wants to eat. Like, she just wants to eat. Hey guys, so we've been taking behind the scenes. I've been filming behind the scenes. I've been taking pictures of the food. It looks so good, and I'm sure that. Yeah. Can I see? Hey, Kachi, airdrop now. Airdrop, Kachi, no.
Video, talk to the vlog.
Guys, I just saw one badass picture Kachi took now. Kachi, how far now? Airdrop this.
I shall press.
Okay, I feel like to eat. Yeah, you turn it off.
Yeah, turn it off.
This will kill us.
Yeah, so can you turn? Yeah. No, guys, let me show you my plate before I start eating. I just took a small portion. Once I'm done with this, I'll go for round 2. Finished eating and we're leaving now. Umita, thank you so much.
Umita, we love you.
Anyway, guys, we're headed to Rhoda. Where are we going to?
Our next vlogger destination.
So Kachi's going back to work. Dee's going home. Dee, you're going home, yeah? Yeah. So I'll take you guys with me and I'll show you guys the place when we get there. Hey guys, so we are here. So this is like a blogger thing where like we enter a location and we start looking for the best spot to take pictures. So Kachi entered now and she has been using her eyes to look to find the perfect place.
Guys, they are angles. You can utilize effectively. I see 3 already. 3. You cannot do like that.
Okay. So yeah, we're planning a shoot here already. I can just imagine how bomb the pictures are going to look. Yay! So just stay tuned. I would vlog the process when we do. So yes, stay tuned. How far? Yeah, that's what I was telling. I was telling the vlog so that once we this is a blogger thing. Once we enter a location, we start looking for the best spots.
Yeah.
You know, this is gorgeous.
Like,
yeah,
so should we go there? Okay. So we're headed to the restaurant now.
Very, very fancy.
It's so gorgeous. Wow, it's so pretty. Hi. You guys, this place is amazing. What?
On freaking drill. No, wait, babe. Brother, come out of there.
Are you sure I can't wait till like not?
No, you have to just wait. Just tease them.
You know what, guys? I can't even speak. So guys, I actually want to give you guys a tour, but I'm going to hold on till I come. I'm going to hold on till we're back here again for the pictures. Then I'm going to do a proper tour and show you guys, because if I show you guys now, kind of kills the motive ish. So I want to actually just put you guys It's so pretty. Okay, let's go. So, in fact, I'm still contemplating. Yes, this place is actually so pretty. The ambience is so nice.
Just imagine if we are sat here.
Yeah.
We are like sat there facing, and they have like the drinks show, and they have the sun right behind you. Oh!
And just look at it's just here, guys. Like, Kachi, do you think we should give them a tour now or they should wait?
Guys,
what do you think? Okay, I'll show you guys a sneak peek.
Just small. Then we'll show you the rest after. Just small.
Okay, it's okay. So just stay tuned. We're definitely coming back. Definitely.
So good.
Wow. Here is so beautiful. Oh my god. Okay, but I can show you guys this video. I know people hate me, but
so that's the ocean right there.
So gorgeous.
Down.
Oh really? Just
What do you say? I know we're coming back here.
Yes, we are.
Are you excited?
I am.
But now, like, I'm trying to figure out the best outfit to wear for this type of ambience. Okay, we're actually get this video. Okay, see what Kachi's doing. So I'm going to try and do a time lapse as well. Hopefully it's good. So are you guys ready? Let's go.
very lovely accent.
No, we haven't. Stop. They said they'll open the pool in 3 days. So guys, I said I was going to wait till the next time we come, which I'm still going to, but I just have to show you guys the pool. Wow, this place is actually really nice. Like, we're just here by the pool, just watching. Like, I don't know why I didn't bring my drone. Anyway, I didn't think I was coming here today. I would have brought my drone to fly, but do not worry, we'll be back here. So I'll give you guys a more detailed vlog on where this is and everything like that. Okay. Guys, this place is actually really beautiful. Like, you know, I'm so excited because some restaurants in Abuja, they don't permit bloggers to come and make videos and take pictures, and I don't know why. Till today I'm still waiting for them to come up with a solid reason why they don't let bloggers take pictures. But I'm so happy to have found this place that is blogger friendly, and now I'm so excited to create content here. Like, trust me, the next video here is going to be so sick because like we have plans, and like I'm just so excited. This was we just planned to come and just check this place out. Now I understand why like international bloggers scout for locations before they go. Sorry, I have to go in for a meeting, so I'll be back. The mini photo shoot here. Yes, sir.
Holding hands while screaming. I don't know how to describe, but I still love you like I do.
I hate you, man. Why is you doing?
It breaks my heart. Don't text, don't call from you. It's like you could shake this off. You're not that tough with me.
Hi guys, so we're actually waiting for Uber to get here, and then like I'm going to drop Rhoda first before I go home. So I just thought to end the vlog here because yeah, anyway, yeah, if you watched this far, you're amazing and I love you. Thank you so much for tuning in to this video. I really appreciate your love and support. Do not forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know the kind of videos you want me to film. I'm back in full force into vlogging, and I cannot wait to show you all the amazing plans I have planned out. Wow. To show you the amazing things I'm going to be getting up to, and my Uber is calling now, so love you all, guys. Hello. Hi. Okay.
No text, no call.